Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a cute Christmas tree string draw bag, perfect for little gifts or Christmas decorations. Alright, let's get started. Let's make the bigger Christmas tree #1 string bag first. Cut the half tree pattern out and glue it onto the folded side of a cereal box. Cut it out neatly. Then open it up and you'll see a full tree shape. And that's our template ready. A cardboard template makes it so much easier to trace onto fabric. Now place the pattern on your folded fabric, right sides together. Trace around it and cut carefully along the lines. When you open it up, you'll have two Christmas tree shapes. Repeat the same with your lining fabric. So we'll have two outer pieces and two lining pieces. Next, place the tree trunk pattern on the fabric you've chosen. I'm using brown fabric scraps. Cut a small rectangle out, fold it in half, sew along the sides, and turn it right side out. You can add a little cotton inside if you want it puffy. Place the tree trunk at the bottom edge of one outer piece facing inward and sew it in place. Then take one outer tree piece and one lining piece, place them right sides together, and sew along the top. You'll have two half and half pieces now, half outer fabric and half lining fabric. Now place these two pieces right sides facing each other. Sew all around the edges, but leave the bottom of the lining open for turning. Also, leave the two top sides of the outer fabric open. That's where our drawstring will go. Trim the corners carefully, but don't cut your stitches. Then turn it right side out. And poke out the corners neatly. Sew a line around the top edge about 1 to 2 centimeters down. This will be the channel for your string. Close the gap at the bottom of the lining fabric and tuck the lining neatly inside. Now grab your cord or ribbon use a safety pin to thread it through the channel, in through one side all the way around, and out the same hole. Do the same again from the other side if you want a double drawstring. Then tie little knots at the ends. And that's it. Your Christmas tree drawstring bag is ready. So cute, right? You can make them in different sizes and fabrics too. Which one do you like best? The big one or the small one? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!